266,000 subscribers making over $15,000 a month with just one upload per week. And these videos are insanely simple. Just stickman-style videos about money and business. But here's the wild part. This niche is still not saturated. Some of these channels are getting hundreds of thousands of views with content that looks ridiculously easy to make. And today, I'll show you why this type of channel is exploding right now. We use a simple AI prompt to generate viral video ideas. First, we take titles from channels already blowing up in this niche. Then, we paste them into the AI prompt, and instantly it generates new viral-style video ideas for us. Next, we take the scripting prompt from our document and paste it into Claude. Then, we pick one of the viral video titles from our list and insert it directly into that same prompt. And within seconds, Claude generates a full high-retention script for us. A script that's already structured to keep viewers watching with hooks, pacing, and flow designed for the algorithm. Now it's time to generate visuals. First, copy the visual prompt from our document and paste it into ChatGPT. Then, we take the full script we just created and paste it into the same visual prompt. After that, we hit Generate, and it gives us detailed visual scene prompts for every part of the video. So instead of manually planning shots or scenes, we instantly get ready-to-use visuals that match the script perfectly. Now it's time to convert our visual prompts into actual images. Take each scene one by one and paste it into Google Labs. This generates high-quality visuals based on our prompts. So instead of manually designing or editing images, we're just feeding in AI-generated scene descriptions and getting ready-made visuals instantly. Step by step, we build the full video visually, scene by scene, until everything is ready to edit together. Now it's time to generate the voiceover. We go to ElevenLabs, paste our full script, and choose a calm, clear voice that fits the storytelling style. Then, we simply click Generate. So now we have everything ready, visuals, and voice. Next, we move into an editing tool. We upload all our images, clips, and the generated voiceover. Then, we add smooth transitions to keep the video engaging and make sure every scene connects naturally. We export the final video ready to upload and go viral.
You think silence is peaceful? You've been lied to your entire life about what it means to be truly alone. The moment every other human being on this planet disappears, no war, no explosion, no warning, the world doesn't go quiet. It screams, and that scream is aimed directly at you.